and Michael Currie. We are we have made the best boat ramp ever. So this is how it works. We have these bungee cords, and then we put duct tape over the little hitch where the trailer's supposed to go, so that it would stay on there. And then we're gonna bring this truck up, and then we're gonna turn it around, or you can back the truck up, and we're gonna do it this way. And then we're gonna back up, and then we're not gonna unhook it yet. So we're gonna get it down there, get it down here.
Wait a minute. No, bring it back up.
And then we're gonna unhook this assistant.
Yes, sir.
And what would the assistant's name be?
Brad Boyette,
Okay.
Okay.
Vice President of the United States of America.
Ooh, wow.
Okay.
And then we're gonna, so it doesn't fly off with the trailer, we're gonna put it in there,
Okay.
and then
Back it in a little more.
and then
That is amazing.
Pull the trailer back out.
pull the trailer back out.
Go park it.
And if you want to dry your trailer off and not get everything wet,
Oh, wow.
take a Converse or any kind of shoebox and put a towel in it, and then put the trailer in there.
It's like a little garage.
And then not unhook it.
Just leave
We'll
it.
unhook it. We'll leave it hooked up. Then you just
So you're
dry
ready
it off.
to get your boat out.
And then once it's all done drying off and you do whatever you want to do, take your boat, put it down here, and your boat's gonna be waiting. You're gonna put it in the water. Boat's gonna come up, and then system, put that on there.
I hope I'm getting paid well for all my assistants.
And then, as you'll see, this will drain a little. And then it will be a little heavy because there's water in it. And then you're going to take this. And then back it all the way back into your trailer where you put your trailer last time. And then that's how you do it. Thank you for watching, and this is my assistant, Brad Boyette.
Good job, Braesyn.
Now